My name is Kilander, and today I'm going to demonstrate for you how to select the appropriate handsaw for the material that you are cutting. As we know, it's very important to wear safety glasses when you're working with hand tools. Additionally, we know it's important to select the right tool for the job. For example, you would not want to have to cut a piece of steel and select a wood saw for this task. Not only would you ruin your saw and take the teeth off of it, you would not be able to cut through your pipe. The first saw that I want to show you or explain to you about saws is it's very obvious that all these saws are coming in different sizes, shapes, and styles. Every saw has teeth. This is the cutting surface of the blade. This information will help you in selecting the correct saw. The amount, if you can measure 1 inch on your blade of teeth, which I've already pre-done on these saws, measured out 1 inch, marked it out, and then if you were to count the teeth, this will give you an idea what your saw is used for. Wood saws are generally very easy to identify. They're straight blades, straight handles. They almost always have a wood handle, which means very easy to figure out it's a wood saw. Additionally, when you measure the teeth per inch, you will have between 6 and 8 teeth within 1 inch of this. This means that when you're getting ready to cut your material, the wood, 6 to 8 teeth at a time touch every inch of material. The wood saw, because of its very tall, sharp, pointy teeth, and they're very straight up and down, the wood saw cuts in both the forward and the backward direction. The second saw that I have to demonstrate today is a hacksaw. Hacksaws can look different. There's older styles, newer styles, they're all different. Generally speaking, a hacksaw forms a complete loop. The teeth on a hacksaw, unlike the wood saw, are very tiny. They're less than a 1/16 inch tall, and they're angled in a forward motion. This gives the hacksaw, when measured 1 inch of teeth on a hacksaw, the teeth per inch is between 20 and 24 teeth. That means that when you're cutting metal, hacksaw is used for metal. When you're cutting steel, 24 teeth per inch of surface area are cutting through the steel. That's because steel is a very dense surface. When you use a hacksaw, the cut is on the forward motion. That's why they're angled, so that the cut is on the forward motion. If you keep your pressure the same throughout your cut, the backstroke brings the saw back, and the forward stroke makes the cut. Finally, the last saw I have today is the PVC saw. This saw is also like the wood saw, straight blade, straight handle. However, one noticeable difference is the teeth are not nearly as tall as a wood saw, and they're not as tiny as a hacksaw. The teeth are more of a medium sized, and they are angled on the backwards stroke, this way. The PVC saw has approximately, when measured, 10 to 12 teeth per inch. If you were to count each tooth in between that inch, you would have between 10 and 12. And the PVC saw, since plastic is a very soft surface, very easy to cut. Opposite of the hacksaw, it cuts on the backstroke, forward stroke, equal pressure, and it cuts on the backstroke, making it easy to cut through plastic materials. In the future, you should be able to use this information to make a good decision about the correct tool and the correct handsaw to use for the type of material you are using. This video demonstration is tied to standard 46.000 Construction Trades, Technical Standards for Construction Tools, uses materials and common hand tools in construction industry for handsaws. Thank you very much.